Okay, come on.
Elsa, introduce yourself. I'm Ella. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sarah also.
We're gonna show you how to work out today. How fun is that?
We're gonna lose tons of pounds.
Yeah.
Like tons of calories.
And if you do this every day for like a few years, you'll lose at least 10 pounds. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get started with stretching.
Okay, let's
Which one
start.
are you doing first? Arm across your body.
Sorry about that.
Push now.
Ow. You know, you can twist a little bit too, but
I got spit on my legs.
now let's switch.
Sarah's already had enough. Get over here.
Well, you know, I've been doing this for a couple
Switch.
years.
Down.
Next stretch.
Onto the legs. Stretch really hard. As hard as you can go.
Push it. Now switch. Hi. This isn't uncomfortable.
Okay, now both legs out. We're gonna excuse Sarah for a second.
Can you turn it off?
No.
Because they can't have
We're gonna have to do this one at a time or something.
Why do I have all this room and you guys are so
She keeps turning my thing. I'm sorry, but it says highlight over there. It doesn't work.
Oh.
Oh. See what I mean?
They're starting to feel so weird.
Guys, this is so uncomfortable. You're right. Full body stretch now. Leg out, Elsa. Oh, that felt good. Are you ready to begin the crunches? I can give you numbers. Ready? Okay. One, two, ready, go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You
1,
gotta
2,
do that.
3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,